BUILDEX is just an amazing opportunity for us to connect with people in the construction industry. My name is Chris Atchison. I'm the president of the BC Construction Association. Hundreds of delegates that are here supporting the industry. BUILDEX has to be the opportunities that present themselves to see colleagues, to meet colleagues, to network with colleagues, and for the benefit of your business. For newcomers to the industry, this is one of the must-attend stops on the conference circuit. This is the single biggest event. You need to be at BUILDEX. You need to be in Vancouver.
We're here at BUILDEX to network, meet new clients, get exposure, and learn about new innovations in the industry. We're here to hear different experts' opinions, listen to their topics, find out new innovations we can possibly use in our industry, things that will lead us into the future of construction. Overall, for BUILDEX, it's a fantastic place to see new products being used in the industry, see new innovations coming up. For newcomers into the industry, it's important to be able to sit there and show your company your net worth, your value, what you can do for them, and be a reliable employee and grow with that company.
Attending BUILDEX is a great way for us to gain some new relationships, as well as get out there and learn about some resources and some new trends that are on the market today. I'm here at BUILDEX today to get involved with the building community, and it's a great way to connect with some local people and get our name out there as well.
For 12 years, I've basically been working with newcomers. One of the things that keeps me awake at night is we have a labor shortage, yet we're very reluctant to give newcomers the opportunity. My biggest challenge is advocating for newcomers and encouraging our labor market, which is a collection of employers, to hire a newcomer and drop the requirement for local experience and actually engage in the solution that's right in front of them. Young people need to have the resiliency, especially when you're overseas as a job seeker. If the first, second, and third times don't work, you sometimes need to rely on the fifth and sixth, and that's something I learned as an immigrant entrepreneur in Canada.